Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I am Ray Chavez, President and CEO of the San Antonio Manufacturers Association, or SAMA, and it is my pleasure to be your introductory host for this special day for our industry. SAMA supports Manufacturing Day annually since 2012, highlighting various manufacturing plants in our region. However, with continued concerns with COVID-19, this year's 4 Manufacturing Day plant tours will be recorded and provided to you virtually. We also will provide you an opportunity to learn more about manufacturing, how important it is, and its continued economic impact to our region. Created in 2012 by the Manufacturing Institute, the educational arm of the National Association of Manufacturers, Manufacturing Day is designed to address common misperceptions about manufacturing by giving manufacturers an opportunity to open their doors and show in a coordinated effort what manufacturing is and what it is not. Specifically, it is not the factories of yesteryear where a person visualizes a crowded, dirty factory floor where it is hot, there are obnoxious smells and noise, and smokestacks where smoke billows smoke into the atmosphere. Manufacturing plants today are clean, modern, and utilizes advanced technologies in their production processes. With the use of automation and robotics, manufacturing plants are state-of-the-art plants where people can work in safe and healthy conditions. Manufacturing Day is manufacturing's biggest annual opportunity to inspire the next generation about the industry and careers in modern manufacturing. Supported by a group of industry sponsors and co-producers, Manufacturing Day is designed to amplify the voice of individual manufacturers and coordinate a collective chorus of manufacturers with common concerns and challenges. The rallying point for a growing mass movement, Manufacturing Day empowers manufacturers to take charge of the public image of their industry and come together to address their collective challenges such as skilled labor shortages they face. They do this so they can help their communities and future generations thrive. As a perspective, and according to the National Association of Manufacturers, currently there are nearly 900,000 open jobs in manufacturing and 4 million expected jobs to be filled between now and 2030. According to the research by the Manufacturing Institute and Deloitte, manufacturers must accelerate their efforts to attract and support manufacturing talent. The majority of our regional manufacturers have positions to fill as well, and they too must have programs to attract and support manufacturing talent. Many manufacturing executives nationally, according to CreatorsWanted.org and within SAMA agree and highlight manufacturing is what drives everything we have if you look around. How much of that has been manufactured? Almost everything. Manufacturers work on big challenges, fixing something, finding the answers to puzzles on how to make things and the processes to do so. These get done because manufacturing workers are doers. It is something tangible and wonderful about the business of making things. Executives agree things are changing so rapidly in manufacturing today, but plants are spread out across this great country, and there is not one corner of this country that doesn't enjoy manufacturing jobs for the folks in those communities. These plants are in every town and are the backbone of these communities. Workers have a real passion and excitement when they come to work and do their job. They say you can go out and touch a physical thing that you are helping to make it come to life. Additionally, having a job in manufacturing provides self-satisfaction, security for yourself, your future, and your family. The work also provides pride and dignity, and this feeling exists on the factory lines across the country. Our area manufacturers and workers share the same sentiments and concerns and challenges. SAMA efforts with partners in our region are geared to help all understand what manufacturing is about, address issues and concerns to include training opportunities for individuals looking at great careers in manufacturing. Additionally, SAMA partners help manufacturers put the word out on their industry and help attract the next generation of workers. At this time, I'd like to highlight organizations and programs that can assist the public, job seekers, students, parents, and manufacturers in providing trained workers. These are the Alamo Academies. Created in 2001, its mission is to expose high school students to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM. careers driven by industry. Students enrolled in their programs are exposed to high-demand career pathways through a hands-on curriculum. The goal of these programs is to help students make better decisions on their educational and career plans after high school graduation. The two programs manufacturers are accustomed to is the Advanced Technology and Manufacturing and the Aerospace Academies. They are both 2-year programs for juniors and seniors, consisting of college-level courses and an 8-week summer internship with a local manufacturing or aerospace company. The Texas Federation for Advanced Manufacturing Education, or Texas FAME, Advanced Manufacturing Technician Apprenticeship, is a regional manufacturing partnership with the Department of Labor recognized apprenticeship program that creates a pipeline of highly skilled manufacturing workers. Texas FAME apprenticeships are offered in a 2-year AMT Associate's degree program in partnership with St. Philip's College. Industry partners sponsor students in an earn-while-you-learn hybrid environment with 2 days in class and 3 days on the company's job site. The Texas FAME Accelerated Skills Training, or Texas FAST program, offers up to 12 weeks of boot camp-style training for an entry-level multi-skilled technician career. Upon graduation, students undergo a 6-week on-the-job training with a local manufacturing company. Texas FAST uses the Scientific Management Techniques Incorporated, or SMT technical training curriculum based on the demand and skills Texas FAME companies need for technicians. Prospective students go through a mechanical skills assessment and are evaluated based primarily on the aptitude rather than formal education or previous work experience. For more information, go to the web address below, www.texasfame.com. SA Work is dedicated to help SAMA and manufacturers elevate the profile of manufacturing and skilled trade professions. They address the misperceptions and raise awareness and interest in jobs in the manufacturing industry across our region. As with SAMA, they also want to make sure their local campaign to promote manufacturing is authentic and ask manufacturers to provide any videos, photos, or testimonials they can use to highlight your companies and current job openings. If you have immediate hiring needs, both SAMA and SA Work are directly promoting job openings across their social media channels and across the city's workforce partner agencies. For more information, please contact Christopher Mayman at the email listed below, or visit their website at sawork.org. Next is the Department of Labor apprenticeships. Understanding that most manufacturers want a bigger stake in training individuals for their companies as opposed to waiting for some time for a quality candidate to graduate a training program, SAMA promotes apprenticeship certification programs through the Department of Labor. Currently, there are a few companies in our region that have a Department of Labor certified program. The mission of the program is to help qualified and reliable individuals learn their trade and become highly coveted employees. Manufacturers do their part to help educate and pass along the knowledge they have learned to the next generation of manufacturers. For more information on Department of Labor certified apprenticeship programs, visit the website address below. Workforce Solutions Alamo, or WSA, can assist both individuals and manufacturers with financial programs. Another area they are willing to assist is the promotion of our industry to job seekers. They can explain to job seekers the why manufacturing by informing them that there are a lot of job openings in a variety of fields that offer great pay. Additionally, most manufacturing jobs offer training and certification programs to help them advance your career. WSA also provides information on the average wages and how they can get started in manufacturing. For more information on how to get into manufacturing or how to help your company, go to the web address below. Currently, we are seeing an increase of women in advanced manufacturing positions and excelling. I encourage you to take a look at this video at your leisure to see how young women are taking the challenge of the AMT program and get entry-level training in automotive manufacturing, resulting in rewarding careers. Go to the YouTube link listed below. Manufacturing highlights for our region. The manufacturing industry is one of the largest sectors of the San Antonio area economy. The regional economic impact was $40.5 billion annually, including the impact of exported products. It has been a major economic driver in the region for decades. Manufacturing in the area is very diverse, spanning virtually every industrial product line. Principal sectors have grown and evolved over time in response to national and global changes in the manufacturing environment. Our manufacturing industry sectors comprise of the following. Transportation. This sector is our largest and consists of aerospace and motor vehicles. Equipment and metal products. It is followed by machinery, computer, electronic components, primary and fabricated metal products, repair and maintenance of machinery, and electronics. Diversified products, which includes printing, food and beverages, textiles, apparel, and leather, furniture, and miscellaneous products. That includes medical equipment. Materials and electricity consist of wood, paper, non-metallic products, petroleum, plastics and rubber, chemicals, and electricity. The manufacturing industry sectors comprises 32.4% in transportation, 24.6% in equipment and metal products, 21.9% in diversified products, and 21.1% in materials and electricities. Additionally, there are 1,500 plus manufacturing companies in the region. 80% of them employ less than 50 employees, and the transportation and equipment metals are the leading sectors. In 2016, a total of 52,000 people worked in the manufacturing industry, constituting 5% of the total number employed within the San Antonio metropolitan area. Of greater significance than the overall headcount is the steady evolution of manufacturing job opportunities away from low-skill sectors of the economy and toward high-skilled, high-tech sectors. This has resulted in significant wage gains as the manufacturing workplace has evolved to meet the increasing technology demands of the industry. Over time, there have been significant decreases in employment in diversified manufacturing, largely offset by gains in the transportation sector. Advanced manufacturing technology has changed the face of manufacturing, increased the use of robotics and automation that include transportation and equipment and metal products, diversified products, materials and electricities to ensure future skilled advanced manufacturing workforce for industry. SAM and partners have introduced programs in place with First Robotics. They introduce robotics from elementary to high school students. The Alamo First area serves teams in Central and South Texas. Our mission is to inspire young people to be science and technology leaders by engaging them in exciting mentorship-based programs that build science, engineers, technical skills that inspire innovation and that foster well-rounded life capabilities, including self-confidence, communication, and leadership. For more information, go to the website listed below. A-Teams is a result of the merger of the A-Team, the Alliance for Technology, Education, and Advanced Manufacturing, and SAMSEC, San Antonio's Mathematics and Science Education Coalition. Together, they highlighted major challenges were on the horizon at both local and national levels due to the shortage of younger workers entering the highly skilled manufacturing trades. To help increase the promotion of manufacturing to students, a teacher externship with industry program was created, sponsoring professional development events to help math and science teachers become more aware of the use of math and science concepts and principles in local businesses and industry settings. These summer professional development session activities have included visits to local businesses and industry companies and organizations, presentations by local industry representatives, and the development of math and science lessons integrating examples from area partners. For more information, go to the website listed below. Now, I would like to express my gratitude to Alamo Group, M2 Global, Cox Manufacturing, and Toyota for supporting this year's manufacturing virtual tours. So let's hear from them.
Welcome to Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Texas, home to the Toyota Tundra and Tacoma. San Antonio is the only place in the world that builds the Toyota Tundra. Here in San Antonio, on our 2,000-acre campus, around 3,000 Toyota team members build Toyota trucks. We also have over 20 on-site suppliers on our campus who employ an additional 4,000 team members. Hi, I'm Annette Torres, and I've been with Toyota for over 9 years. Throughout our plant, you'll see a lot of components unique to advanced manufacturing or unique to Toyota. One of the technology pieces you'll see is our automated guided vehicles, or AGVs. AGVs travel along a magnetic strip in the floor and deliver parts to the line at just the right time. You'll also see our andon, which is the key to quality at Toyota. A white cord runs along the production line. When a team member identifies an issue, they pull that cord. The andon sends out a light signal and a specific music tone to direct the team leader and the group leader to the right spot on the line. Each team member is empowered to stop the line as they take responsibility for their work while building in quality at every step. Another way we ensure quality is by performing inspections. At the end of every line, our quality inspectors do complete inspections before the vehicle moves to the next line. Here at Toyota, we build based on demand using the just-in-time system. That means every truck has a final destination before we start building it. We also have only a set number of parts delivered to the line at just the right time to allow our team members to correctly build the right truck. Our team members are the backbone of Toyota. We call them industrial athletes because most jobs have a physical nature. We train them on physical conditioning and ergonomics to protect their health and safety. Now let's go behind the scenes and see how a Toyota truck is manufactured. Once we begin building a truck, the first step in vehicle production begins in the stamping shop. Here, we use large sheets of steel and huge metal dies that weigh several tons. The dies press and shape the metal into different truck body parts such as hoods, fenders, and doors. The stamping shop produces about 130 sheet metal parts used for building the complete vehicle body. 100% of the steel we use comes from American companies. After the metal parts are stamped into shape, they are then stacked onto parts racks in the weld shop, where the Tundra and Tacoma first began to take their recognizable truck shape. We have over 400 robots working in harmony with our team members using our Global Body Line, or GBL, to produce both the Tundra and Tacoma on the same line. Body Weld can produce 430 trucks per work shift, with the entire process for one truck taking 1.5 hours. Over 2,700 welds are applied to each vehicle, and 98% are applied robotically. In weld, we have some of the largest robots in our plant, including one we call Godzilla. This robot will lift 1,500 pounds of truck cab with precision. While our metal pieces are coming together over in the plastic shop, we use an injection molding machine to take tiny plastic pellets and shape them into usable parts. These parts include the shells of our instrument panels and our front and rear bumpers. Our plastic shop will use 3.2 million pounds of plastic material per year. Once the body of the truck and the plastic bumpers are ready, they all head into paint. The paint shop is 3 stories high and has over 120 robots working along with our paint team members. The 4 coats of paint we apply begin with an electrostatic dip to prevent corrosion. Second is the primer coat. Third is the base coat for color, and then the final clear coat for protection. The paint process takes about 9.5 hours to complete. Moving back to our truck, once the vehicle leaves paint, it moves into assembly, which is the largest part of our plant with the highest number of team members. The first stop in assembly are the trim lines, where the inside of the cab is completed. Here, our team members are installing safety-regulated items like airbags, as well as major components like the instrument panel and the seats. While that's happening in the trim lines, our engines are being prepared as well. Our engines are shipped 80% complete from our sister plant in Huntsville, Alabama. Team members here in Texas finish the remaining portion before sending it over to be installed in a process we call engine drop. engine travels overhead from the engine line and is lowered down onto the frame. Our team members will connect the prop shaft, and then the remaining frame line will install the clamps and hoses surrounding the engine. Now, the frame is ready to meet up with the truck cab and the truck deck. Remember, the inside of the cab was already finished. The cab and the deck are gently guided onto the frame. You can imagine it takes a great deal of coordination to get to this point. The correct cab and deck need to match up with the completed frame at just the right time. Soon after, our truck heads down our final inspection line, which is dedicated to our quality inspectors. We also have paint, weld, and assembly confirmation team members who are doing complete quality checks on the interior, exterior, and body surface. Once the truck passes the final inspection line, it moves into our line-off area. The inspector will enter the truck and do some final quality checks and will turn the truck on for the very first time. The entire production process from stamping to line-off will take 20.5 hours. We have a truck driving offline every 60 seconds. The truck will then be driven over to our Vehicle Performance or VP area, where the truck will undergo a variety of functional, emissions, and diagnostic testing before heading into the shower test area. From there, it will be shipped to a dealer within 24 hours by rail or 18-wheeler. And that is how Team Texas builds a Toyota truck. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.
Thank you for participating in Manufacturing Day 2021. I hope you have a better understanding of our industry and the dynamics of manufacturing to include what it is and what it is not, workforce issues and concerns, programs available to get into manufacturing careers, and all the efforts SAMA and its partners do to help promote our industry. If you are interested in knowing more, SAMA will host a virtual panel discussion with our partners next week on October 8th at 10 a.m. Log-on details will be provided on our website on our Manufacturing Day 2021 landing page. I look forward to your participation on October 8th. Please bring your questions.